It's the recipe for how to start being lean. It's all about respect for people, continuous improvement, EBFC, making what you do easier, better, faster, and fun. And the first thing you do is you make your work easier, then you make it better, faster, and ultimately becomes cheaper. So easier, better for construction. So that's what it stands for. Because we help people make their job easier, better, faster, and that benefits our clients. Our happy people definitely delivers their projects on schedule. I went to a job 2 weeks ago, and they're almost 3 months ahead of schedule is what they finished.
Jeez.
And they had applied high lean intensity. There's something special here. And that special thing was really just a mindset. And that mindset, I always tell people, it's really just two things. It's this.
That was sexy.
Very
That was
slick.
sexy.
Sorry about killing your transition there.
Respect for people is the first thing, and then continuous improvement. Those are the two big lean construction principles. It can't be that simple. Like, it's not simple.
Yeah, it's
right.
very difficult to
Right.
do. Yep.
Yeah.